What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. I know this is like a random middle of the week type video, but this is gonna be a drop that's coming out on Friday. So I just want to give y'all a video on this Kaws Human Made collab part 2, because they dropped part 1 back in I think July or August-ish, around that time. I was at the Kanye West listening party when he was for Donda. So it was around that time for the first drop. But anyway, we're gonna get right into this, and they got a lot of dope pieces in this drop. And as y'all can see, a few of these dope pieces right here, and I'm excited for this. I hope I get what I want. Reason being, because the last time, like for the past couple of weeks, it's been kind of hard to cop stuff because the Human Made website been bugging out on folks, and checking out was kind of weird. The capture was kind of all over the place, so it was just hard to check out. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Also, like, comment, subscribe down below if you're new. Hit that subscribe button if you really liking the content. But most importantly, hit that like button, because that goes a long way with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. So let's just read the description of this vlog on the Human Made website. It says the latest installment of Human Made Kaws collaboration will be available exclusively on the Human Made store from October 16th. Well, yeah, on October 16th. On Saturday, which will be Friday for us at 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so that's the time that it's gonna be dropping. It said this release will include 2 t-shirt designs, 3 sweatshirts, 2 hoodies, 3 tote bags from this collab. So this is all we're gonna be expecting. So let's get right into it. First, we start off with the tees, and I'm gonna give each category a grade as we go. So with that being said, we're gonna start with the tee. We got the white tee with the Human Made heart with the Kaws art style on top with the X's for the eyes. Dope tee. We have it in white with the Storm Cowboy in the back of the neck. They really don't do that much with, but I like that. I prefer the Storm Cowboy more than the heart on the back of the neck. But anyway, we had a black tee as well. I'm gonna pass on these tees. With that being said, I will give these tees 1 out of 10. I will give these 5 out of 10. So that's my score on these. And for the second set of tees, we got the polar bear with the Kaws art style. I'm cool on it. It's cool. I get that a 5 out of 10 too. And we have it in black as well. So I won't be getting those. But these, I won't be getting this. Reason being, I'll tell you in a minute. You'll see in a minute. But this is just fire. This sweater, this Storm Cowboy with the Kaws art style on it is fire. This is hard on this Heather Gray. This is a fire sweater from Human Made. I'm glad that they bring the Storm Cowboy back on his Heather Gray. Dope as hell. I hope they just keep doing this with the Storm Cowboy. And also we have it on a black sweater as well with the white print, which I like as well. I wish I had enough money to cop both of these, but I don't got enough money to cop both of these, so I don't know what I'm gonna be getting yet. But I give this right here a straight up 8.5 out of 10. I give this an 8.5 out of 10. And next we have another sweater with the duck on it. This is really dope. I like this design of the Human Made duck on the Heather Gray. As you scroll down, of course it's on a black sweater as well with the white print. I like this as well. And I get this an 8.5 out of 10. I really do like these designs, and I like what they're doing with these as well. So next we got the Kaws Made. I'm gonna pass on this one. I'm not really feeling it. It's whatever, it's cool. And then we have it in black as well. It's cool, so I give probably like a 6 out of 10. Next, this hoodie right here. This is gonna be one of the items that I caught from this drop. I really like this Human Made heart in this Heather Gray, hard as hell. So let's scroll down. But this is gonna be the one that I get, will be the black hoodie with the white print. I really like the way that it looks. I'm still debating between the Heather Gray and the black, but I already have a Heather Gray, so I may end up going with the black hoodie. I may end up copying this and just use my resale money and just call it a day. That's how it's going to be. But next we got the polar bear on the Heather Gray hoodie. Gonna be passing on that. We have it in black as well. I give this a 6 out of 10. Now we're going to the totes. Now these are really dope tote bags. I really like this a lot. It has the Human Made heart on one side and Kaws Made on the other. I really like it. That cream with that red, I just like how those two colors contrast off each other. But yeah, this gonna sell out. All this shit gonna sell out regardless. I already see it coming. Next, also I get that a 7.5 out of 10. Next we have the duck on the tote bag as well. Kaws Made on the other side. And this is like one of the designs I really like from the duck. I get that an 8. I get that a 7.5 out of 10 as well. Just Nice and clean, not too bad. And we have the polar bear. Not really too much of a fan of the polar bear like that. So I'll give this probably a 6 out of 10. And that's it. That is all that we have coming on Friday. So I hope everybody will be able to get the things that they want from this drop. And yeah, I can't wait to get these. I can't wait to get the main hoodie that I want, which would be the heart. This one right here. So I will be copping that one or the heather gray one. I don't know yet. Like, I don't be indecisive when the time comes. But I hope everybody get what they want. Again, like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, link down below. Catch y'all next video. I gotta edit that one right after this one. This is gonna be a quick edit video. So catch y'all next one. Peace.